Hey everyone, it's Reagan, and I wanted to talk about a product that made my painting life a lot easier, especially in acrylics, and it is this giant palette. It is a lot larger than I'd originally thought it was going to be when I bought it. It's about the size of my body. I'll put the link to it down below, and I will type out the name of the brand because I don't remember it. Now I'm going to tell you how it is that I found this. So I kind of had this routine of which I would paint late at night, and I didn't want to clean up after it, and so I would just kind of let it sit there. That was a really bad idea. There was quite a few palettes of which where there is still globs of acrylic paint on it that I couldn't get off because I'd be sitting there trying to get it off with knives and razors. I'd be trying to peel it off, and the plastic would not let me do it. I actually didn't have any glass palettes, which I don't know why I didn't do that, but I've never tried one. I think I'm kind of afraid that I'm going to drop it and shatter it, but anyway, it's not about that. And so I started looking on Google and looking on Amazon for different palettes, and this one caught my eye because it said you were able to kind of peel acrylic paint off of it once it dried, which was great to me because, again, I didn't want to clean right after I painted. I don't think most people do. I think this is kind of like an issue, except I actually just refuse to clean after I paint. And so instead of continuing to use these paper plates like you'd use on picnics and constantly throwing them away, or like ruining like these like plastic kind of palettes or like mixing trays that I had, I decided I would give this a shot, and I'm super happy I did because basically once it dries and it looks like this, you can just stick your nail under a part of it. Where's a good one to use? I'm gonna go to the other side. And all you have to do is like stick your nail under it. There we go. And I can just peel it. And I've used multiple brands of acrylic paint and I can still peel it, which I think is awesome. And I'm thrilled about, because it just made my life so much easier and cleaner, and I didn't feel as bad about constantly throwing away this stuff, which it was pretty bad. So let's say if any of you guys aren't huge fans of cleaning up acrylic paint or throwing away kind of reusable palettes, non-reusable palettes, like the temporary one-use palettes, I would say this is a great option. It is very affordable and I absolutely love it. So I will leave it down in the description below, but I will tell you these are quite large, which I actually learned to like. At first I did find it a little larger than I anticipated, so it was a little bit intimidating. So I'm going to warn you about that. But yeah, no, I absolutely love these, and I hope you love it too. If you have any recommendations for products on this, I would love to hear about it, or your thoughts on this if you have this product. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah.